What's up, online shoppers? I have something that is truly a multi-purpose cooking companion. These are the heavy-duty oven liners by Buself. Now, these were gifted to me by the brand. When I accepted them, I was curious about what I could use them for. And basically, even I was curious about how they were constructed. So let's open up the package and I'll tell you what I learned about them. Now, first of all, these are fiberglass mats. They come in a 3-pack, and this one here is 17 by 25. Here they are rolled out. Now, these mats are pretty awesome. I've seen smaller versions of these sold to use in barbecues, so you can actually grill on top of them. They are thin, but they are definitely very sturdy. Now, there's a couple different ways that you can use this. You can literally put them in the bottom of your oven to catch the drips from pans that boil over, you know, that cheese that always seems to fall off the pizza and then burn to the bottom of your oven. Yeah, this will definitely work for that. Now, depending on the style of your oven, there's a couple different ways that you're going to put this in. First of all, after you have ensured that it fits properly, you're going to put it on the bottom of your oven. So if you have an oven that has one of those heating elements that's kind of up from the bottom of the oven, you can put this underneath that and it will catch all the drips and you can take it out for easy cleaning. If you have a hidden element set up in your oven, you're going to want to put this on the bottom rack of your oven so that it doesn't come in direct contact with the heating element or the flame. These are heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, but don't test it by putting it on the flames. Now let's talk features of this. First of all, this is non-stick, 100% able to go in the dishwasher for cleanup. They're easy to just wipe off or pop them in the dishwasher. Second, you can trim these with scissors. So if your oven is smaller, you can cut this into a smaller size so that it fits specifically to the footprint of your oven. Now, say you're cooking in your oven and you have a roast that's gonna drip. I would put this underneath as a way to catch all the drippings and save you the scrubbing later when you have to scrub that burnt on crust off the bottom of your oven. Now, the other thing about this is you can actually cook on this. You could put this on the rack of your oven. You could put a pizza on it and you could cook right on top of this. You can also put these on the grill of the barbecue. Just make sure it's not directly exposed to the flame and you can cook on top of them too. And because this isn't plastic, it's actually fiberglass, it's not going to mess with the performance of your oven, nor is it going to impact the flavor of the food you're cooking. Food grade materials that are going to let the heat circulate evenly. I think the thing that sticks with me the most about these awesome little oven liners slash baking sheets is the time and the stress that it's going to save me. Now, my oven is a dirty disaster right now. That's why I'm not showing you these in action. I'm going to clean it first and then I'm going to do another demo with them in action. But I do know that once I get it cleaned, this is going to make my life a ton easier. So there you go. Strong, flexible, easy to adjust, and with so many different applications other than just keeping the bottom of your oven clean. This is exactly the kind of kitchen helper that I love to put in place, silently doing its job so that I don't have to. If you are looking for a way to make oven cleanups easier or for a kind of off the beaten path way to cook on a non-stick surface that's food grade and won't interfere with the taste of your food, you've got to check out these oven liners. I'm pretty sure they're going to be a family favorite at our house.